welcome back to my channel. My name is Andrea, and if you're new here, welcome. For today's video, there's a reason why my face looks the way it does right now. I only have my brows and foundation done, and that is because we are going to be trying out the new JACLYN Hill complexion products. I got 3 of the products she came out with, and I'm super excited to try these out because, as you guys know, I have really been loving everything she's come out with lately. I really wanted to give this a try. I've seen mixed reviews. I've seen people leaving glowing reviews and absolutely loving them, and then I have seen other reviews saying they don't really care for it or it didn't do anything. So I purchased these, and I'm actually excited because I do have dry skin, and this little baby intrigued me because it is a hydrating under eye primer, I think. Yes, and I'm super excited for that because I have been noticing lately that I am getting a few fine lines under my eyes, and I wanted to see if this helps out with that situation. So without further ado, if you're interested to see how these JACLYN Hill products work and the real tea about them from a real consumer, then just keep on watching. So let's start out with this hydrating under eye primer, which I am so freaking excited for because I have dry skin. I've said it a million times, and if this actually makes a difference, I'm gonna be super excited about it. So let's go ahead and apply it. Should I zoom you guys in a little bit? Let's zoom you guys in a little bit. Getting up close and personal here. You can see all my flaws. Ooh. I don't know if it's the applicator or the product, but it does feel cooling. It feels very cooling and hydrating. Like, you can see the hydration under it, and I'm excited about it, not gonna lie. Let's go ahead and apply concealer, and then we're gonna be using the Brightening and Setting palette. And I got this one in the shade Fair to Light. I don't know if I should have gone for light to medium. I actually had light to medium in my little shopping cart, and then last minute I switched it to this one. I don't know why, I couldn't tell you why, but we're gonna be using this. And then we're gonna be using this little brightening, yes, brightening light banana under eye powder, but I'm pretty sure you can use it all over the face, especially if you like to bake. I think you're gonna really like this, but we're gonna try both. I might actually clean up my bronzing with this because I don't usually tend to bake under the eye. I wanted to actually use this to set my under eye. So we'll see what we're gonna do, but we're gonna try all of it, of course. So let's apply my regular concealer. I'm using the Rare Beauty brightening concealer. So we're using a lot of brightening products here. I really like how it's applying on top of the primer. I don't see my little fine lines as much as I do otherwise, so I'm really liking that so far. And now I'm gonna be using the shade Almond, I believe, to set my under eye. I might mix it with honey, so I might mix these two. And I'm just lightly pressing it to the skin. And let me just set the lid as well. Now, it is brightening for sure, and I don't know if everyone will love that. I don't even know if I love that, but I actually really like how my face is looking. It looks very, very smooth down there, and I like it. I'm excited. I'm also very excited to try this out and baking underneath my eyes because I don't do it a ton, but whenever I do have like a special event or occasion, a wedding, or I'm going out, I do like to bake. So I'm really excited to try this out underneath the eyes. But today we are going to be using this because I'm going to clean out my bronzer with this just so I can tell you whether I like the powder or not. So since we are talking about JACLYN Cosmetics, I'm going to use her Duo, which you guys know I absolutely love and I've been using a ton lately. And I'm going to be using it with a fluffy brush. I'm not going to try to be precise at all, especially because we are cleaning it up. I really, really like this bronzer. And we're just gonna use the blush as well. And you guys know I do like to be generous with blush. I like to build it up. I do love to use a lot of blush. I like to bring it up here and on the nose for a little sun-kissed effect. And once I figured out how to use this blush, I actually really like it too. You just have to build it up for sure. And for the purpose of the video, let's go ahead and use her highlighter as well. Pretty soon we'll be able to do a full face of JACLYN Cosmetics. Okay, so now let's go ahead and use her baking powder to make this super sharp and clean. And I got the shade Light Banana. And while that is baking, I'm going to be applying my mascara, so I will be right back. Okay, so I applied my mascara, and now I'm just gonna dust off all of the baking with a fluffy brush. And look at that, look at how sharp that looks. And it's actually super lightweight too. I don't feel it on my face at all. So I think you're really gonna like this even if you have dry skin, and especially if you do like to bake. Like I said, I don't bake all that often, but oof, that looks really nice, and I can't wait to actually wear it underneath of my eyes. And since we're talking about JACLYN Cosmetics already, let me share with you guys my favorite lip combo lately. I actually finally got my hands on her lip liners, and I got a new liquid lipstick as well. And this lip liner is in the shade Cupcake, and the liquid lipstick is in the shade Outspoken. And I've really been liking this combination, and since we're already reviewing those complexion products, let's go ahead and wear these two because I haven't mentioned them to you, but I've really been enjoying both of these. Her lip liner reminds me of like the ColourPop lip liners. It just feels very, very soft and smooth. Of course, the ColourPop ones are much more affordable, so I don't think these are a must, but they are very nice. They do smell really good. And for her lipstick, I actually really like the formula. The only thing is I always have to prep my lips before with a lip mask or lip balm, because if not, then they will feel a little bit drying. But I really like them. They last all day long. There's no transfer, and the colors are to die for. So this is how my skin is looking up close with her complexion products. What do you guys think about them? I actually am impressed, and I really liked all of the 3 items I used today. Another home run for me. Okay, you guys, and that was it for the JACLYN Cosmetics complexion launch, or at least the items that I did purchase from that launch. What do you guys think about it? I am thoroughly impressed with all 3 of them. I actually can't wait to play around more with the little baking powder. I really liked this palette, especially underneath my eyes, and this was the standout for me. I don't know about anybody else, but I have absolutely loved this because it is truly hydrating. And since I do have dry skin, it worked wonderfully for me, and I know I'm gonna reach for it again and again. I know people have said that this is just an eye cream, but even if it is that, I'll take it because a lot of eye creams are much more expensive than this was, so I'll take it. I liked this a lot. I feel like my face looks really freaking good, and we basically have a full face of JACLYN Cosmetics, and I am living for these products. Do you own any of these? Are you planning on picking these up? I also wanted to mention the packaging feels very nice and sturdy and very luxurious in my opinion. I don't know if it makes a lot of sense with the other packaging because the other one was black and gold and this one is white and silver, but I do think she said that it'll all make sense once she completes her collections. I don't know, it might just be me. I did like the black one better just aesthetically, but this one's very nice too. And that is it for today's video. What do you guys think about how my face looks? I really like it. I really like how my face turned out. I feel like it looks super smooth and pretty, and I wasn't sure about the brightening under eye, but it looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. And this was the craze back in like 2016, I think. People loved a bright under eye. Anyway, I did enjoy the products, and I know I'm gonna reach for them all the time. I already do with everything else I own from her. So yes, that is it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Hit that little bell so you never miss any of my videos, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. The disrespect. So let's go ahead and Hello, my little love bugs. Why do I keep calling you that? I have no idea.